Okay, good morning guys. I make another second video about my Honda CR-V RD1 the radiator water reservoir boiling. Now as you can see that I have already taken off the radiator. See, I have already taken off the radiator. No more radiator inside here. And I have already sent the radiator for inspection and repair, and the result is my radiator is blocked. Let me show you. Okay, this is my radiator fan. Another one is a AC fan. Okay, this is my radiator after repair. Okay, let me tell you the problem. Actually, there is a hole, a small hole located down here, somewhere down here, so they have already patched it. And then the problem of my boiling, the main problem that caused boiling to the water reservoir, to the coolant water reservoir, is as you can see, this grill over here, this small line over here, it is all 100% blocked. Due to the blockage of this grill, my cooling fan cannot do its job, because the water is not flowing inside this grill, and that's why my water reservoir boil up every time I drive it for 1 hour or more. This is the result of the water, the dirty rusted water that gushing out when I open the cap. This is the result. And there is nothing wrong with my radiator cap. There is nothing wrong with my rubber hose. The two main problems that cause boiling every time I drive for 1.5 hours is this. Every one of these have already blocked by rust. Now it is okay. I have bring it for inspection and for cleaning at my local shop. I will update you guys later after installing it back. Don't worry if your car water reservoir is boiling. Don't worry about it. Not actually a blown head gasket. It is maybe the radiator cap or the rubber hose, or a small leakage over here, or block, or a cooling fan that does not function. And the last thing to suspect is a blown head gasket. But a blown head gasket occurred when you start the car engine and then you open up the radiator cap. It will immediately bubble. No need to wait for 1 hour or more than 1 hour. So in my case is this whole part over here is blocked. Okay guys, thank you for watching Honda CR-V RD1 1997. Okay, bye.